Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Steam generator. So it's pretty easy what we have to do, but it also might not be easy. It depends on how well you pay attention to this video. It's not too hard, but if you try and do it without like a tutorial, it's pretty hard. I had to look up a tutorial on how to do it. But it is pretty cool in the end when it does work. Because I know I really like the Steam generator puzzle in Act 2. So as you can see, if we pull down this, nothing happens. The gate doesn't open. Now we can click this switch, pull it down, nothing happens. Open up that valve, pull down, nothing happens. Turn on the heater, pull it down, and then it starts going. As you can see, the wheels are turning and the gate has opened. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's pretty easy. It's not too hard. Like I said, you just have to pay attention and it should be pretty easy. So the first thing you're going to need is heater. So you can just go into your content browser, type in heater, and just drag it in. We'll just put it like right here. Then you'll need the Steam generator, so we'll just type in gen, and then BP Steam generator. Then next what we want is a platform door, or the gate, so we want to type in platfo, and we'll get platform door, pop that in. And then we want wheel. We want the BP hand wheel. And then we want the actual valves. So, I forget what the name of the valves are. What is it? Tube. So if we type in tube, as you can see, we have tube tap, tube with handle, tube, and mill tube. Mill tube is for a completely different thing. The tube tap is for another completely different thing. What we want is either the tube with handle or tube. Now, as you saw, it works with both of them, so it doesn't really matter. It depends whether you're going to have the wheel or if you're just going to have it as a lever. We'll put both in just because why not? So we'll just put that in, and we'll put that in. There you go. Now what we want to do is we have to connect everything together. So it's pretty easy to connect everything. You want to click on your gate, go connect to, and then you press the plus button, you go none. Then you want to look for a BP Steam generator, and that is going to be somewhere. Oh, nice, random numbers. Don't you just love random numbers? So you want to look for Steam generator. Now I have two, so I'm going to click on Steam generator 2. For you, you're going to click on Steam generator. So once you've clicked on that, your gate is now connected to that. So now we just need a way to activate this this generator. So it's pretty easy. What you want to do, click on it, go incoming tubes, click on it, the amount. So basically the tubes are these things, the little valves. So depending on how many you have, we have 2. So we're going to add 2. So 1, 2. If you have 5, you're going to add 5 of those. Basically, you want the number of incoming tubes to match the number of valves you have in the map. Then under none, you want to select your tubes. There you go. Once you've selected all your tubes in your map, you want to go under required pressure, set it to 2. Or, once again, depending on how many you could have 5 valve switches. So you want to put that pressure to 5. So the amount of valves that you have is the amount of incoming tubes you're going to have and pressure. So we have 2, so we're going to put in 2 into incoming tubes, and we're going to put the number 2 into pressure. Now under heater, we're going to select our heater that we put in, and rotation speed. I found that 150 works pretty good. And then now what we want to do is go over to the heater. We're gonna click off of heating so that you have to actually turn it so that it'll go. And then what you want to do is select both of these. So you can just hold down Shift and click both of them. And then what you want to do is under tube, you're going to want to click on generator, and water pressure, you're going to put it to 1. And that's it. Now if we hop in game, and run over, as you can see, hold down, nothing happens. Now if we put this on here, and turn that, hold it down, nothing happens. Then we turn on the heater, the wheels start turning, and the gate opens up. So yeah, that's how you set up the steam generator. It's pretty fun. You don't have to connect it necessarily to. You don't have to connect this necessarily to a gate, but you do have to put in a heater and at least one pipe or one valve, and yeah. So that's pretty easy. And once again, you don't have to use you don't have to use the gate. You can use whatever you want. Anything that connects to electricity to run. It could be the train. You could have it connect to a train. You could have it connect to literally anything that connects to electric. You can have it connect to what the heck. You can have it connect to the no gun door. You know. So yeah. Go ahead, get out your mod kit. Once again, like always, link for the mod kit will be in the description, like in all my videos. And yeah, go break out that mod kit and start modding. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.